So now let's see how we can work around with detail adjustments inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have a picture and I did some basic and curve correction to it. Meaning if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see some noise to it right here. Let me just go around onto 200% and you can see some noise to it right here. Let me hold space and click and drag and you can see there are some noises over here. And if I want to remove out those noises right here, then what I can do is I can go to the details section. Once I do that, I can go around and increase out the sharpening section right here to get more details out in the picture. But that does increase out the noise as well. Let me just go around over here and increase out the noise reduction. So let me just go around and zoom in even more, just like this. And if I were to change around the noise reduction, you can see that it smoothens out the noises right here, just like this. And you can also increase out the color noise right here. So there's some color noises over here. So you can simply increase that out. And what happens is that it is smoother, as you can see right here. But you're losing some details, so you don't want to go all the way out right here. So let me just decrease out some color noise over here and decrease out the noise reduction part as well. So you want to get to that sweet spot where a bit of noise does not matter right here, but does not take away all the details. So you can go around and then increase up the color noise a bit right here, just like this, and get to the sweet spot where it is not too much. So you can go around and disable this out as well. So let's say, for example, these are the details right here, and you can see the before and after as well, just like this. So you can see the details over here where you can go around, increase out the color noise and noise reduction to make it much more smoother. And that is what you can do to reduce out noise and stay on the detail that you want to make sure that the image does not look too messy. So that is how you can work around with the detail adjustment option inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.